In this video, we are going to talk about how to create a membership website using WordPress. So if you want to build a website where you want people to register as a recurring member, and then you want to show them a restricted content which will be visible to the members as per the membership plan they have purchased. So all that will be possible when you build a membership website on WordPress. So if you want to learn how to do that, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So with that said, let's dive in our WordPress backend and build a membership website. So here we are in our WordPress backend and we are going to build a membership website using MemberPress plugin. So this is one of the most popular membership plugin that you can use to build a membership website on WordPress. And if you see their pricing plan, it starts from $129 per year, which is a very good deal if you are planning to build a membership website to run it for a long time. And this plugin got almost everything that you need to build a membership website. So if you want to go ahead and check out their latest offers and pricing plans, you can go ahead and check the link given in the video description below. And once you do the purchase, you will get the zip file of the plugin that we need to add in our WordPress setup. So let's come back in our WordPress setup. And first we go to plugin and then click on add new. And in order to add our MemberPress plugin, we need to click on upload plugin and let's select the file. So we have added the zip file of MemberPress plugin. Let's go ahead and install it and then let's click on activate. Alright, so now our plugin is activated. We can see we have a notification on the top. We need to add a payment method. We need to add a membership so that people can register according to the membership plan they want. And we need to add rules so that we can define what content will be visible to what member. So let's first go to this MemberPress icon here. And right now we don't have any membership added yet. But first let's go to the settings. So we go to settings option here. And the first thing you see here is the detail about your license key. And if we go to the next page, here you will see that the default pages that this MemberPress plugin will create. So you can go ahead and change that to any other page that you want, or you can edit the existing one. After this, we have group and membership page slugs. Most of the time you don't need to edit it, so you can leave it as it is. After this, we have unauthorized access. And the default one is set on show a login form on page containing unauthorized content, which is the most responsible way so that if someone is not able to see our restricted content, they can at least sign up for our membership plans. Once that is done, we can move on to the next tab. And here are some general settings for your account page. So you can go ahead and review that. Right now in default settings, they are perfectly fine. We will leave it as it is. And if we go in the next tab, so here we can set the fields that will be visible if the user is registered. So you can set the information from here. After that, we have the most important part, that is payments. So right now we don't have any payment method set yet. So if we click on add payment method, we get few options like Stripe. We have offline payment, we have PayPal, Express and Standard. So just for this example, we will go with offline payment. You can go ahead and connect your Stripe and PayPal. It's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do, just click on this button and then it will ask you to log in your Stripe or PayPal account and the things will flow easily in a setup wizard. But just for the sake of simplicity, let's set it to offline payments. So maybe we can give it a alias or a name. So let's give it a name as cash payment. And here is an option to show payment label, to show payment icon. And here we can show the payment description. So whatever we write here, it will be visible in the payment page. So once that is done, you can go ahead and update the options. And if you move ahead on the next tab, that is emails. So these are the emails that will be sent out. You can go ahead and edit the email, give it a test send, or maybe reset to default if you have changed anything. So you can easily go ahead and play around with these templates to customize as per your website theme. After this, we have marketing. So here are some basic settings that you can disable autoresponder and you can add a opt-in checkbox by default. So pretty straightforward stuff. After that, we move on to info, where we will add a basic information about our business. After that, we have general. So here is the language, currency, and all the pretty much straightforward things. After that, we have taxes. If you want to add taxes in your membership plans, you can go ahead and add that from here. And next is the courses, and this is from the courses add-on that we got. So if you are planning to create a course membership website, you can do that from this add-on, and we will cover that in a separate video where we will show you how you can create a course website online. So right now our settings are done. We can now go in the membership section and start creating our membership plans. So let's say we click on add new. So let's give it a name as free plan, and maybe we can give a small description. Alright, so maybe we can add this sample text for this membership plan, and here we will set the price as 0 because this will be a free plan for anyone to join. So whenever people register, they will always get enrolled in the free plan. So now the access will be lifetime, so anyone can stay in the free membership plan as long as they want. And if we go down here, we have the membership option. So registration button will show as sign up. So the button below the registration plans will be visible as sign up. So you can change the text here. You can maybe write in join for free. You can also create a custom thank you message especially for this membership. Otherwise, it will show the default thank you message for every membership subscription. So again, you can send a special welcome email for the free users or for this specific membership. Otherwise, it will again send the default welcome message. We also have the customized payment options. If you have more than one payment option added here, you can customize this from this option. So maybe you want that this membership people will only pay via a certain payment gateways. So you can do that from here. So we will uncheck the discussion or allow comments. After this, we can set a feature image. So if we go back in our dashboard in the membership area, this is our free plan. Let's go ahead and create a new one. So we will click on add new, and maybe we can call it paid plan. So this could be a sample text. You can add any detail as you like. And after that, we have the price. So we will set as $10. And after this, we will choose the billing type as recurring because we want the members to pay monthly or any given time as you like. You can set the time interval of renewal from here. So for this example, we will choose monthly. You can set it to yearly, weekly, 3 months, 6 months as per your requirement. So with this price, we will set it to monthly. And we have an option for trial period. If you want to allow trial period for this membership, you can go ahead and do that. And after that, we have limit payment cycles. So this membership will anyway expire after a certain amount of months. And after this, we have the registration option like the way we just saw in the previous example. And here we have 3 more tabs, which is permission. If you want to allow users to register for multiple subscriptions, which I'm sure no one wants, so we will leave it unchecked. And who can purchase this membership? Everyone. So that's pretty straightforward. And here is the no permission message. So for those who have not purchased this membership plan, once they land up on any content page which is restricted, they will see this message. We will uncheck the allow comments. And after this, we have price box. So you can design a price box for this membership plan. You can go ahead and edit all the details here, and the things will be pretty straightforward. We have advanced. So these are just some advanced settings which normally you don't want to change. So you can leave it as it is. After this, let's go ahead and publish this membership plan as well. And if we go back in membership, now we have the 2 membership plan listed here. So now once the membership is done, we can now move on to the rules. And with that, we will be able to decide or restrict our members to access a certain section of our website. So here, if we click on rules, right now we have no rules set. So we will click on add new. And here we will set the rules for our free members first. And this is a section for content and access. So here we will choose, so here are number of conditions which you can use to restrict content. Let's say we want to restrict our blog post and we want some blog posts to be visible by free users, and we will add some premium blog posts which will only be visible by our paid members. If we select that, here we can select uncategorized. So right now we only have this as a category. So right now we have only this as our post category. If you have more than one, you can go ahead and restrict content based on any category. So let's select this one, and the access condition of this blog post, which are under category uncategorized, is based on membership. So if we select that, and here are the two membership plan that we have created. So all the blog posts which are under uncategorized will only be accessible who got the membership plan, that is paid plan. Other than that, free members will not be able to access that. And after this, we have an option to enable drip or enable expiration. So if you want your content to be given as drip, or you can select that, or you want to set an expiration of this access, you can do that from here as well. And how we want to set the unauthorized access, that will be based on our more tag. So in a blog post, so let's say you have a premium blog post and you want to restrict that for our premium users. So with more tag, you will be able to give a little bit of preview of your blog post, and as soon as you add a more tag, after that the rest of the content will be only available if the visitor buy our paid plan. So this is one of the best way to restrict your blog post. So if we select this, and below that we can set the unauthorized message. So if we can leave that on default, or maybe we can add our custom message. So maybe we can write something like this, and after this message we want people to see our form which they can use to buy the membership plan. So here we have the login form, which we will select show, and then it will be visible on our restricted content. With that settings, let's save these rules. And now if we go in the blog post area, we have few blog posts added here, and in the category section, if you notice, for all the blog posts which are assigned to uncategorized is showing as access for paid plan. And for those who are not using uncategorized as category, they are accessible to the public. So let's consider this as an example. Let's open this blog post, and this is our content. And after this line, we have our more tag. So if we want to move this up a little, so after all these 9 points, we will have our more tag. So if everything goes well, we will be able to access this much of content for free. And after that, it will show us the restricted content area, and it will prompt us to subscribe for the paid plan. So let's update this from here, and let's try it in the front end. So we open this URL in a private window. So this is our uncategorized blog post. So here are the points of content, and if we scroll down, we got our custom message. It says please upgrade to the pro plan, and after this we have the form to register. So this is how we can set restriction to our content depending upon the membership plan user got, and you can go ahead and set any rules. There are n number of conditions that you can play around with, and with that you will be able to create your full functional membership website. So this is how easy it is to build a membership website on WordPress using MemberPress. So if you have any questions regarding MemberPress, membership website, or WordPress in general, then feel free to add that in the comment section below, and we will try our best to reply that as soon as possible. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.